Hello, welcome all of you on another topic of engineering mechanics, name as moment, couple, and Varignon's theorem. So let us see one by one what is those terms defined. So start. Yes, what is moment? Moment is simply a rotational effect produced by a force on body. Yes, let's see. Okay, let us see that is F force. Okay, and there is some body here, point A. So it will produce rotational effect on a body. So the force direction of force is this at a distance x. So it is also termed as the product of force and perpendicular distance between the line of action of force and moment center. The moment center is here at point A. So how will you define the moment? Moment is m is equal to f into x. F is the force and x is the distance between the moment center and line of action of force. Yes, it is always a perpendicular distance. So then and then only it will produce a rotational effect. So moment is a fixed vector. This is a very important point besides moment. Okay, what is the fixed vector? A fixed vector means a moment cannot be replaced by another moment. Okay, let us see the example. If value of f is equal to 5 Newton and the distance between them are 2 meters, so f is equal to 5 and x is equal to 2. What is the moment? M is equal to 10. Okay, so in second case, let us the value of f is equal to 2 and distance is equal to 5. So what is the value of m? M also 10. So but in case 1 and case 2 the value of moment will be same, but that can be those values cannot be replaced by each other because they are acted by the force. The value of force are different in each case. The rotational effect produced are different. So that's why we cannot replace a moment by a moment. So hope you have all got the point what is moment. So let's see what next. A couple produced by only the effect by the two unlike parallel forces equal in magnitude opposite in direction separated by some distance which produce rotational effect. Yes, there is a force F here and force F also here separated by distance x. Okay, so it is also a couple. Couple also is a vector quantity and unit is same as moment, Newton meter. So what is the formula of couple? C is equal to F into x. But the condition of the couple is there is a two unlike parallel forces. Unlike parallel means their magnitude, unlike parallel forces equal in magnitude. So their magnitude will be same. Here is F, here is F, but the direction are different. So one force at direction upward, one force at direction downward. So it produces rotational effect. And some important points for couple is it is a free vector. Yes, as we say that moment is a fixed vector, couple is a free vector. Free vector means we can replace a couple by a couple quantity only. So here we can replace it. So second is resultant is zero. Yes, resultant of couple system is zero because F force is here upward and F force is here downward. So vertically F is equal to F plus F minus F is equal to zero. It always gives the resultant force zero. So what is next? Next is a Varignon's theorem. Varignon's theorem is basically used to find the position of resultant on a system. So what is state? Let us see. It is stated that the algebraic sum of all forces about a point. Let us see the point A is equal to moment due to the resultant about same point. There is a resultant of this force system and there is same point A. Means the total moment produced by these three forces is equal to the moment produced by resultant R about the same point A. And the equation is same. F into A is the moment due to force F1 about point A. F2 into B is the moment at A due to force about point A, and F3 into C is the moment due to force F3 about point A. Here is C. Here is a force and here is a force, and this will be perpendicular distance. So and there is the same effect produced by resultant is equal to R produced by a distance D. So it will be easy to find the position of resultant in a plane of system forces. So that's it. Hope you have got the Varignon's theorem moment couple. We will start new point in the next video.